The Launch CRP123X is a well-designed car scanner, equipped with all features that any home mechanics and professionals would need to handle their diagnostic work. Based on Android OS, Launch CRP123X will automatically read the VIN information on vehicles being tested and support one-click software update via Wi-Fi connection. With CRP123X, you are free to record, combine, or report the live data, which can be viewed in values and waveforms. You can retrieve the diagnostic trouble codes and have a visual inspection of all components within engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS systems to facilitate the repair process. Also, by touching the Share button once the scan is completed, you can share the diagnostic report with others or email it to yourself for further analysis. You have the option to choose the test vehicle from a list of over 57 car brands and up to thousands of models. We are grateful for choosing us as your service provider.